Hey everybody, Nathan Ronen, CFA here with another update. This one for those candidates that sat for the Level 2 exam in August 2025 and unfortunately did not pass. I don't like to say failed, but did not pass the Level 2 exam. What to do now and where to go from here, okay? Well, if you're one of those candidates who didn't pass the August 2025 Level 2 exam, well, I got news for you. When I was a candidate, I didn't pass my Level 2 exam on the first try either in 1994. Nothing has changed. For many candidates, even with a lot of studying, the Level 2 exam can be sometimes the most rigorous exam and the most difficult exam to pass out of the 3 levels. Is it necessarily? It's a matter of opinion. From my standpoint, yes, because of the volume of material and because of how you have to integrate all the material in a way that you didn't need to do in the Level 1 program. But that being said, even if you're not passing it for the second time, third time, or more, there is a way to pass this exam. Okay, there is a way to pass this exam. A lot of it is knowing the curriculum, but being able to integrate the material, not learning everything isolated or compartmentalized, not focusing exclusively on formulas, definitions, or just understanding a concept by itself, but rather learning how to integrate the concepts, integrate the readings, integrate the topics across the CFA program. That's the kind of mentoring, learning, and understanding that you need to have in order to pass that Level 2 exam and get a very good score on those 88 questions. If you didn't pass this for the first time, or if you didn't pass this for the second time or more, it's time to change or change the methodology by which you are approaching this exam. Using the same approach over and over again, expecting a different result, is the definition of insanity as per Einstein. So I would not recommend that, because why would you expect, if you do exactly the same thing, that the result would be different? And I know everybody likes to contact me and say, hey, I was very close to the line. Let it go, okay? You don't really know how close you are to the line, even with the points that they give you. You don't know if it was 1 question, 2 questions, 3 questions. It really doesn't matter. The result is you didn't pass, and the questions on the next exam are going to be different anyway. Okay, so you need to learn how to study for this exam correctly. You need to have a good study plan, a good strategy, a good focus, and you need to know how to integrate the material in order to answer the item sets the way the CFA Institute is expecting you to. And if you're just going to rely on third-party mock exams, or you're just going to rely on, end of chapter questions or Q-bank questions, you are going about it the wrong way. That's why I want to help you, okay? Now, if you're interested, you can check me out on my website. You can check my YouTube channel. You can check my website, chalkandboard.org. That's CHALK and AND, board, BOARD, chalkandboard.org. You can reach out to me with a call, or preferably an email or a text message, or even on WhatsApp. I'm happy to help you out and answer any questions and explain to you what I'm going to do that's different from before. But more importantly, what you're probably wondering is, which exam should I take? Well, you've got no choice. Okay, if you failed or didn't pass the Level 2 exam in August 2025, you're looking at May, August, or November of next year. Hopefully you'll take it in May, so that again, if you don't for any reason pass it a second time or more, you can retake it with the same curriculum in November. But I'm going to help you get it done in May so that you're not looking at November, and you can start studying for Level 3 in 2027, okay? So 2026 is going to be Level 2, 2027 February is going to be Level 3, but let's get you done in May of 2026 with the Level 2 exam. You have enough time to sign up for it. You have enough time to do it, especially if you're a retaker, and you are a retaker, and I'm happy to help you out. I probably wouldn't go for August or November, because you'll only have 1 shot at the exam instead of 2 in 2026. And if you don't pass it in August or November of 2026, you'll have to leave it till May of 2027. Don't elongate the process. Let's get this done in May of 2026 and move on to Level 3 in 2027 and get you that charter. Good luck to you. Stop thinking about the fail. It happens. Life is not always what you want it to be. And I'm here to help you. I'm here to mentor you and see you through the process and help you with your CFA journey. Been doing it for 30 years, and I also want to do it for you. Okay? Good luck to you. And again, I'm disappointed to hear you didn't pass, but it's not the end of the world, and you will get it next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.